Welcome to this practice of affectionate breathing. This is one of the 3 core meditations from the Mindful Self-Compassion course developed by Dr. Kristin Neff and Dr. Germer. This meditation is an opportunity to bring a warm and gentle awareness to the breath and to ourselves. As you settle in, please start by finding a comfortable posture, sitting or standing, or even lying down if you're not too tired. Begin by adjusting your body so that you will feel supported for the duration of this meditation. Your posture should be comfortable and sustainable, so take your time to find a position that feels right for you right now. When you are ready, let your eyes gently close, partially or fully. Taking a few slow, easy breaths. Releasing any unnecessary tension in your body. If you'd like, offer yourself soothing or supportive touch with a hand or 2 hands over your heart or another place on your body, as a reminder that we're bringing not only awareness, but affectionate awareness to our experience and to ourselves. Noticing how the warmth and support of your own touch can encourage a gentle, soothing energy. You can keep your hand there for the duration of the meditation, or release it and simply hold the energy of kindness within yourself. In this meditation, we'll center on feeling the breath in our bodies. There's no need to change the rhythm of your breathing. Just notice it as it is. Feeling the gentle rising and falling of the body as you breathe in and breathe out. If focusing on the breath feels uncomfortable at any point, that's okay. You're welcome to bring your attention to the feeling of support from your own touch, or simply let your awareness rest with the whole body. perhaps gently swaying as you breathe. Now, only if it feels right, taking some time to feel the breath moving through the body. Noticing the sensation of breathing in and breathing out. Perhaps noticing how your body is nourished on the in-breath and relaxes on the out-breath. There's nothing you need to do. Just allow your body to breathe you. Noticing the rhythm of your breathing, flowing in and out. Like the rhythm of gentle waves. And if you like, inclining your attention toward your breathing as you might toward a beloved child, pet, or dear friend. Feeling your whole body subtly moving with the breath, like the gentle movement of the sea, or the gentle rocking of a cradle. You might feel a warmth or tenderness arising with each breath, but there's no need to force it. Just let it be. Your mind will naturally wander like a curious child or a little puppy. Each time you notice that your mind has wandered, simply bring it back to the rhythm of your breathing. No need to push the distractions away. Just gently return to your breath as many times as needed. If you notice there's a sense of watching your breath, see if you can let that go and just be with your breath, feeling it. If it feels right, allowing your whole body to be gently rocked and caressed. Caressed from the inside by your own breathing. If you like, you might even give yourself over to your breathing. Just breathing. Being breathing. And now, gently releasing your attention to your breathing. Sitting quietly in your own experience. And allowing yourself to feel whatever you're feeling. And to be just as you are. Before opening your eyes, listen to this poem by Jane O'Shea titled My Balm. I close my eyes and sigh, and here I am, lying in the hammock in my heart, moving gently with the soft air of my breath. When I fall from my head past my words, I'm caught lovingly by the hammock of my heart and rocked to its rhythmic beat. It is my peace, my rest, my quiet, cradled in the hammock of my heart. It is constant. It is safe to be held in the hammock of my heart. No place to go, nothing to do, nobody to please. It is my altar, my blessing, my balm, here in the hammock of my heart. When you are ready, slowly and gently open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room.